Hi guys, welcome to English Can. In this video, I'm going to take you through a very interesting and popular phrase which is there on your screen. Have a look. Art loggerheads. Art loggerheads. So guys, what do you mean by art loggerheads? Before I can explain the meaning with examples, I would like to inform you guys that art loggerhead phrase is used with verb. I'm coming again. Art loggerheads, the phrase is used with the verb. So what do you mean by art loggerhead? Whenever you say art loggerheads, it refers to a dispute or a state of quarrel. I am coming again. It refers to a state of dispute or a state of quarrel. It is a kind of conflict or a conflicting situation. Suppose we can take an example. India and Pakistan are at loggerheads over Kashmir. Or you can say, my neighbor and I are at loggerheads for a piece of land. So guys, whenever two and more number of persons or a group of people are at loggerheads, that means they are in a state of quarrel, a dispute like this. So guys, at loggerheads refers to a state of dispute, conflict. So you can say Ram and Peter are at loggerheads over a piece of property in the market area. So that means they are in a state of conflict, they are in a state of dispute, they are always quarreling. So, guys, I hope you have understood the meaning at loggerheads and how to use the same in a sentence. If you really appreciate our effort to improve your communication skill, do like, share, follow, and subscribe to English Can. I'll come up with a new video next time with with a very fantastic topic which is going to improve your communication skill. Till then, bye. Take care.